Welcome to the TJL Newsbreak for the week of September 30th. I'm King Bob, the producer of the Jira Life, with this week's stories. First off, we know that the items we work on in Jira are known as issues, but would you ever want to change that? That's the question posed by Atlassian in a recent Atlassian community article. They're offering customers the chance to test out work items, or tasks, as the new name through a Google Chrome extension that overlays the new term in all places when you browse to Jira on Chrome. You can then give your thoughts by pressing the Give Feedback button. So, what are your thoughts? Work item? Task? Next up, the Confluence team has released 18 new templates for pages and whiteboards. These can be used for special functions such as statements of work, vision boards, Venn diagrams, and project milestones. Included are 3 templates from Lenny Rakiski, product management authority and publisher of lennysnewsletter.com and Lenny's podcast. With the smell of pumpkin spice everywhere, we look for the arrival of Apptoberfest. This year, in addition to the online app demos competition, awards, and community discussions, there will be an app crawl in Barcelona during Team 24 Europe. Check out the details in the links provided. Finally, in news, an early access program for those looking at Atlassian's new team functionality. If you want to synchronize teams with LDAP groups using SCIM, you may want to sign up. Be aware there are conditions that may prevent you from participating. You'll want to see all the information in the links we provide. Now, let's take a look at upcoming Atlassian community events. Monday, September 30th, we'll have a live stream episode of the Trello Trailblazers. Join Brittany and Mike as they continue their Mighty Morphin Power-Up Rangers series as they look at power-ups for email integration. Also on Monday, the Portland, Oregon ACE will be hosting an in-person event at Futura Coffee Roasters. Presenters include MJ Valencia, who will talk about enhancing remote and hybrid collaboration, and Christian Matheson, who will talk about fun ways of learning. On October 2nd, the ACE in Gdansk, Poland, will host their second meeting at Hapag-Lloyd. Learn how one of the world's largest shipping corporations uses Atlassian to streamline their processes and achieve their goals. Virtually, on the same date, Atlassian developers are meeting to discuss how to integrate your Forge app with external apps as part of the Forge Dev Den series. October 3rd, join the Toulouse ACE in a virtual meeting as they talk about experience management. Barclay Ray and Gary Blauer will present. Join the Northern New Jersey ACE at Boots and Bones in Jersey City for a community happy hour gathering. And in Cluj, join a virtual event to demonstrate the powerful friendship between Scriptrunner and Assets in your JSM projects. Links to the code in GitHub are provided. October 5th has Delhi Gurugram hosting an event looking at the new Jira UI for operations in JSM. There will be demos on-call scheduling, alerts, and incident management by Atlassian, and migration from OpsGenie. Finally, on the same day, Dubai will host a community lookup. That's it for this week's news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you really like what the Jira Life does, join. Catch you on our next episode where we will have Bill Wood from Catworks. Until then, this is King Bob, signing off.